Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can blur all faces in your image, in your photos with Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva PC version. Don't forget to sign in with your account. And here we go. In order to start, you can click apps and click design essentials. Now you can scroll down and let's try to find the face blurring. So this is a app that automatically and quickly identifies faces in images and also the videos and applies an aesthetic blur. So to get started, you can use a new design for practice. Let's try with a Instagram aspect ratio. Now you have to upload your image. Select an image or video in your design. Maximum video duration 10 seconds. And here let's drag the image, for example, and here we go. So just simply click blur faces, wait for the process, and here we go. This is the result. As you can see, the faces of these two girls is blur. 1, 2. So here we go. This is how you can use a face blurring app in Canva. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.